ቀጣይ የምናየው ሜተድ it's the method of variation of parameters እንደምናውቀው የመጀመሪያዎቹ ስቴፖች which is solving the homogeneous part of the differential equation አንድ አይነት ነው። የሚለያየው ስቴፖቹ ሜተዶቹ የሚለያዩት ያው it's in finding the particular solution። ስለዚህ in this case the particular solution is assumed to be a pseudo linear combination of the complementary solution። pseudo linear combination ማለት it's a linear combination of the complementary solution ማለትም y1 እና y2 ይኖርበታል ማለት ነው። ነገር ግን the constants are functions of x u1 እና u2 ስለዚህ u1 እና u2 እነዚህን ፎርሙላዎች በመጠቀም በማግኘት you can find the particular solution። ከዛ በኋላ we can find the general solution by combining it with the complementary solution ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ as an example እንደዚህ ማየት እንችላለን። ስለዚህ ለኤ የመጀመሪያ ስቴፓችን የሚሆነው ምንድነው? it's finding the auxiliary equation which is r square plus 1 of the homogeneous part። ከዛ በኋላ we find the complementary solution። ስለዚህ r1 in this case is equal to r2 which is equal to plus or minus i። ይህንን በአልፋ ፕላስ ቤታ i ፎርም ስናስቀምጠው it's equal to 0 plus or minus i ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ y1 ምንድነው የሚሆነው ማለት ነው? it's equal to e to the power of 0x times cos ያው አልፋ x ነው cos of ቤታ ደግሞ it's 1 ስለዚህ cos x ይሆናል ማለት ነው which is equal to cos x። y2 ደግሞ it's equal to again e to the power of 0x which is 1 times sin of 1 times x which is equal to sin x። ስለዚህ ኮምፕሊሜንታሪ ሶሉሽናችን yc ምን ይሆናል? the arbitrary constant c1 times cos x plus the arbitrary constant c2 times sin x። ስለዚህ የመጀመሪያ ስቴፓችን ይሄ ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ሁለተኛ ስቴፓችን ደግሞ it's finding the particular solution which is equal to the pseudo linear combination of the complementary solution ማለትም u1 of x times y1 plus u2 of x times y2 u1 እና u2ን ፎርሙላችንን በመጠቀም ማግኘት እንችላለን ማለት ነው። minus the integral of f of x times y2 over the Wronskian of y1 y2 dx። ስለዚህ ሮንስኪያኑን መጀመሪያ ለሁለቱም እንፈልጋለን which is equal to the determinant of the matrix formed by y1 y2 the derivative of y1 and the first derivative of y2. This is equal to y1 it's cos x sin x, the derivative of cos x is minus sin x and this is cos x. So the determinant becomes cos square x minus sin square x which is equal to cos square x plus sin square x which is equal to 1 from identity property of trigonometry። ስለዚህ ይህንን በመጠቀም this implies that u1 በፎርሙላው መሰረት substitute ስናደርግ it becomes the integral of minus the integral of tan x which is equal to ln of cos x። ከዛ u2ን ደግሞ similarly calculate እናደርጋለን it becomes the integral of dx which is equal to x። ስለዚህ finally our particular solution becomes u1 of x times y1 plus u2 of x times y2 ይህንን substitute ስናደርገው it becomes cos x times ln of cos x plus x u2 is sin x. So finally our general solution becomes the sum of the complementary solution and the particular solution according to the superposition principle. So our general solution becomes ለቢ ደግሞ similarly የመጀመሪያ ስቴፓችን የሚሆነው it's auxiliary equationን ማውጣት ነው። ስለዚህ the auxiliary equation becomes r square minus 2r plus 1 is equal to 0። ስለዚህ ይህንን ሲምፕሊፋይ ስናደርገው r minus 1 the whole square ይሆናል። this corresponds to the second case we discussed። ስለዚህ r1 is equal to r2 which is equal to 1. This implies that y1 is equal to e to the power of x and y2 is equal to x times e to the power of x. ስለዚህ our complementary solution becomes the first arbitrary constant times x plus the second arbitrary constant times x e to the power of x. Then ሁለተኛ ስቴፓችን የሚሆነው using the method of variation of parameters, it's finding the particular solution, which is the pseudo linear combination of the complementary solution, which means u1 and u2 are functions of x. ስለዚህ individually እናገኛቸዋለን ማለት ነው። u1 of x according to the formula it's equal to minus the integral of the final function times y2 over the Wronskian of y1 and y2 with respect to x. ስለዚህ ይህንን ሰብስቲትዩት ስናደርግ ነገር ግን መጀመሪያ ሮንስኪያኑን መፈለግ አለብን። our Wronskian becomes the determinant of the matrix formed by y1, y2, y1 derivative and y2 derivative. This is equal to y1 is e to the power of x, y2 ደግሞ x e to the power of x ነው። the derivative of e to the power of x is the same. ይሄኛው ደግሞ e to the power of x into x plus 1 ይመጣል። ስለዚህ this is equal to e to the power of 2x into x plus 1 minus x times e to the power of 2x. ስለዚህ ይሄኛው simplify ስናደርገው it becomes e to the power of 2x. ስለዚህ ይህንን substitute ስናደርገው እዚህ ውስጥ becomes minus times the integral of e to the power of x over x multiplied by x times e to the power of x divided by e to the power of 2x. ስለዚህ ይህንን simplify ስናደርግ ሁለቱ በዚህ ካንስል ያደርጋል፣ x በx ካንስል ያደርጋል። ፋይናሊ ይችኛው ፓርት x ትመጣለች። similarly u2 of x ደግሞ it's negative ዋለች, it's minus x. the integral of f of x times y1 over the Wronskian of the complementary solution with respect to x, which is equal to the integral of e to the power of x over x multiplied by y1 ማለት e to the power of x ነው, divided by the Wronskian which is e to the power of 2x. this is ይሄኛው በዚህ ካንስል ያደርጋል። the integral of 1 over x is ln of x. ስለዚህ our particular solution እንደምናየው it's minus x times y1 is e to the power of x plus ln x multiplied by x e to the power of x. ስለዚህ ከዚህ ጀነራል ሶሉሽናችንን ፋይናሊ ማግኘት እንችላለን ማለት ነው። this ማለት ነው።